Hello and welcome back, guys. Today I'm here with some more question papers of previous years. So I'm here with the fourth semester question papers of BSc graduation. I have all the exam papers of previous year of fourth semester BSc medical. So let's start. Let's start with this zoology paper. This is the paper 1 of zoology, life and diversity of chordates 2. Pattern is same. You have 9 questions in all. First question is compulsory and you have to attempt 2 questions from each section A and B. First question is compulsory. You have to do all the parts. So this was paper 1 of zoology. Next is paper 2 of zoology, mammalian physiology 2. This was paper 2 of zoology, mammalian physiology 2. Next one we have is botany ka question paper. So let's start with paper 1, biology and diversity of seed plants 2. So again the pattern is same. So these were the 9 questions of paper 1 of botany. Next one is paper 2, plant embryology. Pattern is same. इसमें आपको कुछ क्वेश्चन पेपर्स ऐसे मिलेंगे जिसमें 4 यूनिट्स हैं. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज कंपल्सरी एंड एक्सक्लूडिंग इट देयर आर 4 यूनिट्स इन ऑल. क्योंकि पहले का जो एग्ज़ाम का पैटर्न था वो इसी तरह से था कि वहाँ पर 4 यूनिट्स थी. अब हमारा जो पैटर्न है वो चेंज हो चुका है. अब 2 यूनिट्स होती हैं. तो आप यूनिट 1 और 2 को कंबाइन करके यूनिट 1 समझिए और यूनिट 3 और 4 को कंबाइन करके यूनिट 2 समझिए. क्वेश्चन पेपर का पैटर्न बाकी सेम ही है. क्वेश्चंस चैप्टर्स सब सेम है. was paper 2 of botany. Now next one is of chemistry. Let's start with this organic chemistry question paper. So pattern wise same hai. First question is compulsory and you have to do 2 questions from each unit. So here first question has 4 parts, 2 marks each. Inorganic chemistry. First question is compulsory. Now next and the last question paper is that of physical chemistry. Note down the questions और you can take a screenshot also या फिर वीडियो पॉज करके भी आप क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. Question paper of physical chemistry. Now you have all the question papers of all the subjects of 4th semester, so you can start your preparation. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you like it, and if you like it, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Easy Learning with Vishakha. Thank you.